In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export your email contact list from Pipedrive. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly pull your contacts into a CSV or Excel file for things like email marketing, backups, or reporting. First, open Pipedrive and look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a row of icons there. Click on the Contacts tab, which is represented by the People icon. This is where Pipedrive stores all the people records associated with your account, including their names, email addresses, and other details. Once you're on the Contacts page, you'll want to decide exactly which contacts you want to export. At the top of the page, look for the filter options. Here, you can choose something broad, like all people, if you want every contact, or a more specific filter, such as contacts who are subscribed to campaigns. Using the right filter is important because Pipedrive will only export the contacts that match what you've selected. Take a moment to confirm that the list you see on screen is really the group you need. After you've chosen your filter and your contact list looks correct, move your attention to the top right corner of the Contacts page. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the More menu. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down that appears, select Export Filter Results. This tells Pipedrive that you want to export exactly the contacts currently shown under that filter. A new window will open, asking you to choose the format for your export. Here you can pick either CSV or Excel. CSV files are great if you want flexibility to use the data in many different tools, while Excel files can be more convenient if you plan to work directly in a spreadsheet. Choose the format that best fits how you'll be using your contact list. Once you've made your selection, click the Export button. Pipedrive will start generating your file. Depending on how many contacts you have, this might take a few moments. When the export is ready, you'll see an option to download it. Click Download, and your file will be saved to your computer, usually in your default Downloads folder. From there, you can open the file in your preferred spreadsheet program, review the data, and use it wherever you need.